Hey everybody, it's Aunt Cathy at Hands of a Woman. People and ideas are being censored. 6 of our bloggers have been intermittently censored, sanctioned, or put in jail by Facebook and or YouTube. Help us make places around the matrix where posted content is not taken down. You can use blogs and comment sections to share information. You can use email and subscribe to lists of interests. Make your own website and connect with others. Keep the same name around the matrix so you, your ideas, your art, your writing, and knowledge can be found. Support sites and individuals of your choosing. Our current bloggers include artist Kelly J., who is an artist and has a strong Christian testimony. Casey Carey of Lamppost Poetry, who's a poet and a political commentator. Neil Murphy with a strong Christian testimony. Pete Marshall, a writer. Priscilla Batzel, an artist who's been censored on Facebook and on YouTube. Cindy Bentley, who's a humorist and political commentator who's been censored on Facebook. And me, and you already know all about me. So please use alternate ways of staying in touch throughout the matrix. We are proud to post and save some of the work of artists and writers on handsofawoman.com. We post once a week on Saturdays. Please visit our blog section on the homepage or the individual contributors and subscribe to our email list. Please tell your friends about us. Pray, influence, and vote. That's all for now. This is Aunt Cathy at Hands of a Woman. Bye-bye.